Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to open multiple files in Notepad++. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. Now click on File, then select New. Type a few words in the blank document. After that, click File again and choose Save As. Select a location such as the desktop, enter the file name file1.txt and click Save. I'm creating only one file as an example. You can create two more files in the same way, such as file2.txt and file3.txt. Now click on File and select Open. Browse to the location where your file is saved, select file1.txt and click Open. The file will open in a new tab inside Notepad++. If you have multiple files, you can open them together by holding the Control key and selecting more than one file before clicking Open. Each file will appear in a separate tab, making it easy to switch between documents. You can simply click on any tab to move from one file to another. This is a very useful feature when you are working on multiple text files, notes, or programming files at the same time. That's it. You have successfully learned how to open multiple files in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Notepad++ tutorials. See you in the next video.